What if I told you that making $100,000 isn't just about working harder or waiting for the perfect opportunity? It's about unlocking the power already within you. Right now, whether you realize it or not, your thoughts are either attracting money or pushing it away. The way you think about wealth, success, and abundance shapes the reality you experience. And here's the exciting part. Once you learn to align your mind with the millionaire's law of attraction, opportunities for financial freedom will begin to flow into your life. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to guide you through the exact steps millionaires use to manifest their wealth, and by the end, you'll have the tools to take your first step toward creating the $100,000 life you've always dreamed of. But here's the thing. It all starts with a decision. A decision to believe in the possibility that you deserve abundance, that you are capable of achieving it, and that your mindset is the key to unlocking it. If this resonates with you, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel right now. I'll be sharing powerful tools and strategies to help you unlock the abundance waiting for you. And don't keep this to yourself. Share this video with someone who's ready to transform their life too. Ready to activate the millionaire's mindset and make $100,000 your new reality? Let's dive in. Here's a truth that separates millionaires from everyone else. They don't just think about money differently. They've rewired their minds to expect success, no matter their circumstances. You see, most people grow up with beliefs that limit their financial potential. Maybe you've been told things like, money doesn't grow on trees, or you have to struggle to get ahead. These ideas take root in your subconscious and shape the way you think, act, and even feel about wealth. But here's the good news. You can reprogram your mind, just like millionaires do, to attract abundance instead of scarcity. The first step is becoming aware of the beliefs holding you back. Ask yourself, what do I really think about money? Do I feel like there's never enough? Or do I believe I'm capable of achieving financial freedom? Awareness is the key because you can't change what you don't recognize. Once you've identified those limiting thoughts, it's time to replace them with empowering beliefs. Start each morning with this affirmation. I am worthy of wealth, and opportunities flow to me effortlessly. Say it out loud, with confidence, even if you don't fully believe it yet. Over time, your subconscious will begin to accept this as your reality. This shift in mindset isn't magic, it's science. When you focus on abundance, your brain starts to notice opportunities that align with your goals. It's like tuning a radio to the right frequency. So, are you ready to start rewiring your mindset today? If you are, hit the like button and comment below. I choose abundance. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for more life-changing strategies to unlock your financial potential. The millionaire's mindset is within your reach. You just have to decide to claim it. Scarcity thinking is one of the biggest obstacles standing between you and the life you want. It's that voice in your head that says, there's never enough. Or, what if I lose what I have? The problem is that when you focus on lack, that's exactly what you attract. More reasons to feel like there's not enough. Millionaires, on the other hand, train their minds to see abundance, even in situations where others might only see limitations. This mindset shift changes everything, and the good news is, you can start adopting this habit today. The first step to replacing scarcity thinking is shifting your focus. Instead of worrying about what you don't have, start noticing opportunities that are already around you. For example, when was the last time you looked for a way to grow your income, learn a new skill, or connect with someone who inspires you? These opportunities are often right in front of you, but when your mind is stuck in scarcity, you miss them. Here's a simple practice. Every evening, write down 3 opportunities you noticed during the day. They don't have to be big. Maybe it's an idea for a side hustle or someone offering advice. By doing this consistently, you're training your brain to focus on possibilities instead of problems. Another powerful habit is reframing your language around money. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, ask yourself, how can I afford this? That small change forces your mind to think creatively instead of shutting down. Millionaires know that abundance isn't just about money. It's about thinking expansively and believing there's always more on the way. So, what's one area of your life where you can start thinking abundantly today? Let me know in the comments. And if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to the channel for more strategies to create the life you deserve. The journey to abundance starts with the habits you choose today. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools you can use to bring $100,000 into your reality. Why? Because your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what you vividly imagine. When you create a clear picture of success in your mind, you're sending a signal to your subconscious to find ways to make it happen. This is how so many millionaires start. They see the result in their mind first, and then they align their thoughts and actions to match that vision. The key is to not just imagine it, but to feel it as if it's already real. Right now, I want you to close your eyes and picture $100,000 in your bank account. Imagine checking your balance and seeing those 6 figures sitting there. What does it feel like? Relief? Excitement? Freedom? Now, take it a step further. Visualize what you're doing with that money. Are you paying off debts, traveling, investing, or helping your family? Make it as specific as possible, down to the details. The more vivid your mental picture, the stronger the impact on your subconscious. This practice works because it trains your brain to expect and accept abundance, rather than seeing it as something distant or out of reach. To strengthen this, commit to a 5-minute visualization practice every morning. Set a timer, close your eyes, and fully immerse yourself in the life you want to create. When you combine this habit with action, you'll start noticing doors opening that bring you closer to your financial goals. Visualization is not about wishful thinking. It's about preparing your mind to take the steps needed to succeed. So, are you ready to see $100,000 in your future? Comment below, "I see my abundance," and let me know how you'll spend it. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs this guidance, and subscribe to the channel for more strategies to manifest your best life. Start visualizing today. Your $100,000 life is waiting. One of the biggest reasons people struggle to attract wealth isn't because they lack opportunities or skills. It's because they have hidden mental blocks that sabotage their success. These blocks are often buried deep in your subconscious, formed by years of negative beliefs about money. Maybe you've heard things like, "Money changes people," "Rich people are greedy," or "You'll never have enough." These thoughts may seem harmless, but they create an invisible barrier between you and the wealth you desire. The good news is, once you identify and eliminate these blocks, you can unlock a whole new level of abundance. The first step is to uncover what those blocks are. Ask yourself, what's the first negative thought or belief about money that comes to mind? Don't filter it, write it down. For example, if you think, "I don't deserve to be rich," challenge that belief. Ask yourself, why not? Who decided that for me? You'll often find that these ideas aren't even yours. They were passed down from family, culture, or past experiences. Once you recognize that these beliefs don't serve you, you can replace them with ones that empower you. Start affirming to yourself, "I deserve abundance," "I attract wealth with integrity," or "money is a tool for good in my life." Another hidden block is fear. Fear of failure, fear of success, or even fear of judgment from others. These fears keep you stuck in the same place, afraid to take risks or pursue opportunities. To break free, remind yourself that every wealthy person once faced these same fears but chose to take action anyway. Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward in spite of it. What beliefs or fears are holding you back right now? Comment below and share what you're ready to let go of. And if this resonates with you, like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful strategies to transform your mindset and attract wealth. The only thing standing between you and the abundance you deserve is the belief that you can't have it. So let's release that today. If you want to attract wealth, you have to start acting like the person who already has it. This is what millionaires know. They don't wait for the money to show up to feel successful. They embody the energy, confidence, and mindset of abundance before the physical wealth appears. The law of attraction works through alignment, and when you act as if, you're telling the universe that you're ready for what you're asking for. This isn't about pretending or spending recklessly. It's about showing up in your life with the energy of someone who knows their success is inevitable. Start by looking at your daily habits. How do you carry yourself? How do you speak about money? Millionaires speak with confidence and possibility. Replace phrases like, "I can't afford that," with, "I'm choosing to invest my money wisely." Walk with purpose, dress like someone who values themselves, and make decisions from a place of abundance, not fear. Even small changes, like organizing your workspace or treating yourself to something meaningful, can shift your mindset toward success. Generosity is another key to acting as if. Millionaires aren't afraid to give because they trust there's always more where that came from. Practice generosity, whether it's with your time, knowledge, or even small financial contributions. This signals to your subconscious and the universe that you believe in abundance. Who do you need to become to attract the life you want? Start showing up as that person today. Let me know in the comments how you're going to start acting as if you're already wealthy. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who's ready to step into their abundance, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful strategies to transform your mindset. Wealth is about more than money. It's about the way you see yourself and the energy you bring to the world. So, why not start living like the millionaire version of yourself today? Gratitude is one of the most powerful energies you can master if you want to attract abundance into your life. Here's why. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from what's missing and onto what's already working. This simple practice sends a clear message to the universe that you're open to receiving more. Think about it. How often do you get caught up in what you don't have or what's not going right? That focus on lack keeps you stuck in scarcity. But when you intentionally practice gratitude, you raise your vibration to match abundance, which allows more to flow into your life. Start by taking a moment every day to acknowledge what you're thankful for. It doesn't have to be anything big. Maybe it's the roof over your head, the meal you had today, or even a kind word from a stranger. Write down at least 5 things you're grateful for, and as you do, really feel the appreciation in your heart. This isn't just about going through the motions. It's about creating a genuine emotional connection to what you already have. The more you focus on gratitude, the more your mind will start to notice the blessings around you, and as a result, you'll attract even greater opportunities and resources. Gratitude also helps you move past negative emotions like fear, envy, or frustration. Whenever you feel stuck or overwhelmed, pause and ask yourself, what can I be thankful for in this moment? This simple shift in focus can completely transform your energy and perspective. Remember, millionaires don't focus on what they're missing. They celebrate every win, no matter how small. So, what are you grateful for right now? Comment below and share one thing you appreciate about your life today. Don't forget to like this video if it resonates with you, share it with someone who could use a mindset shift, and subscribe to the channel for more strategies to create a life of abundance. Gratitude is the foundation of wealth. Master it and watch how the energy of abundance starts flowing into your life. Manifestation isn't magic, and it's not enough to just think positively or visualize success. You need to take aligned action. Aligned action is the bridge between the dreams in your mind and the reality you want to create. It's about moving with purpose, making decisions that are in harmony with your goals, and showing the universe that you're serious about what you're asking for. Think about it. You wouldn't plant a seed and then just hope it grows without watering it or giving it sunlight. The same goes for your financial dreams. You need to nurture them through consistent and intentional action. The key is to start small and build momentum. You don't have to figure out every step of the journey right away. What's one action you can take today that moves you closer to your $100,000 goal? Maybe it's starting a side hustle, reaching out to a mentor, or learning a new skill that can increase your value. Whatever it is, the important thing is to do it with focus and intention. Each small step builds confidence and sends a powerful message to your subconscious that you're capable of achieving more. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Taking aligned action also means saying yes to opportunities when they show up. Sometimes, those opportunities might feel outside your comfort zone, but that's where growth happens. Remember, millionaires don't wait for the perfect moment. They take action even when it feels uncertain. The universe rewards boldness and clarity, so don't hesitate to step forward, even if you don't have all the answers yet. What's one aligned action you're committing to today? Let me know in the comments, and let's hold each other accountable. If this message resonates with you, hit the like button, share this video with someone ready to take action, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more strategies to unlock your potential. Your dreams are within reach, but they need your effort to become reality. So, take that first step today and show yourself what's possible. You now have the tools to unlock the millionaire's law of attraction and start creating the financial freedom you deserve. You've learned how to rewire your mindset, replace scarcity thinking with abundance habits, visualize your goals into reality, and identify the hidden blocks holding you back. You've also discovered the importance of acting as if, mastering the energy of gratitude, and taking aligned action to bridge the gap between your dreams and reality. But here's the most important part. None of this will work unless you take the first step. It's up to you to put these principles into practice and start making your vision a reality today. So, what's the first thing you'll do to activate abundance in your life? Comment below and let me know. Remember, every small step you take builds momentum toward your $100,000 goal. If this video inspired you, make sure to like it, share it with someone who's ready to transform their mindset, and subscribe to the channel for more strategies to unlock your full potential. The life you've been dreaming of isn't far away. It's just waiting for you to believe it's possible and take action. You are capable, you are deserving, and your abundance starts now. Let's make it happen together.